Welcome back, my faithful viewers, and welcome to another Taste Test Tuesday. Okay, so we bought that other crate, and I liked, I personally love doing these reviews. And so we are doing it for the month of March now. We've got a nice crate going, we got a little bit of everything. Today we're doing a sweet. So this video is sweet. And as you can see, I've got a corn. I don't know. This came in the snack pack. And let me go ahead and translate. Waxy corn. Soft, waxy, and sweet. And the region is Nayo. So that's where it comes from. And it is a multicolored corn. And we're gonna taste it. And I have another one. So we're gonna taste two. I'm not saying that people are different. Okay, people are different. And it's not uncommon to find food like this in a vending machine. Ooh, that is warm. And you could boil these, or you could microwave it in the bag, which we did. Ooh, oh, you can see the steam. You can tell by the steam is still warm. Okay, so I have a knife around. Oh, there we go. So, here we go. We got the knife. You call that a knife? Oh my God. Okay. And okay, we don't want to take too much. We just want to have a taste. Okay. Definitely gonna need salt and butter. Mm-hmm. Mm. I guess they put a stick on that for something. Mm. Okay. This is definitely not. Mm, not the sweet corn we're used to. This one has bite, so you got. It's crunchy. It's delicious. Don't get me wrong. It is good. But listen, and that's cooked. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're gonna put this one over here with its label. Okay. Mm. Mm. I'm still chewing it. Still chewing it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Ah. Okay, maybe waxy corn is not my favorite. Mm. You see that? You see that? Okay. All right, let me go ahead. Okay. So, Noyo is the region. Soft, glutinous, and sweet. Maybe I'm made of gluten. I don't know. The other one was a waxy corn. This one was also a waxy corn. Oh, it cuts different. That's what I'm used to right here. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. It's still. Mm-hmm. It's waxy because it's squeaky. When the kernels rub up against each other, it squeaks. Okay. I'm gonna enjoy eating those. I'm gonna have to be off camera because it's gonna take me a minute to cut all them things out. Okay. Next up, to round out our sweet video, okay, Love Ball. Heartwarming cookie? Yeah, heartwarming cookie. So this is translated Love Ball. Okay. Oh, oh, oh my God. It smells sweet like you just walked into a bakery. So it's definitely gonna be delicious. Okay, let me lower this a little. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. So, what's in here? Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh my God. This. This is a light, crunchy outer shell. And I don't know if I can get into it. Nope. It won't let me. But in the middle is a little dollop of cream. Mm. It's similar. Mm. It's similar to okay. Now I can talk. Oh, what's that cream? Mm. You know the vanilla wafers we used to eat as kids? It come in vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. It's rectangular. That's the cream that's in here. Oh my God. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh God. Mm-hmm. Now, the last one we're gonna eat. Translate. Tastier. Walnut pancake. Walnut cake. You know, that's the last one we're gonna eat. This translates to walnut cake. And we're gonna find out. See, that's two. All right, there we go. There we go. Ooh. Oh my God, you see these? You see these? Oh my God. Look, that little cookie. Oh my god, they're cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. And these are so light and so airy. It's like eating a cloud of sugar. Mm. But not overpowering sweet. Oh my god, these are so good. And the corn, not exactly my favorite. But I'm not used to eating. I'm usually eating the Iowa sweet corn. Come on. But the puffs. Oh, let me get this. The puffs and these walnut cakes. Oh god. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Love it. Totally love it. Mm. So my pick definitely this. And it's so good. And these little things, cream puffs. That's what we call. We call them cream puffs. Mm. 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 All right, guys. That's my verdict. That's the first batch of the taste test Tuesdays for the month of March. This is what we got. I love the cream. Anyway, we're gonna hope for the best, prepare for the worst. But I guarantee you kids we're all gonna end up somewhere in the middle. So till next time, bye.